how to fix Cash App card not adding to Apple Pay. So what you want to do is go to your Apple Wallet, then we'll click on the plus sign here. We will go into debit or credit card. If you don't see Cash App here, we will click on add a different card and continue. Now you can either scan the card or enter the card details manually, but what's really important is that you make sure that the address on the card or on the cash card matches the address on your financial institution. So for example here, if I type out my name and the card number, if it asks for a street here, I'm just typing out a number. If I click on next, then here it is going to tell me that it's not eligible, but that's not the cash card that I'm gonna use. But if I click on next and it shows me the street, make sure that you match the exact address on Cash App and on your Apple account. So I hope this fixes it for you. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.